Hello everyone, welcome to PW Only IS. I'm Dimple Nankani, the Faculty of Geography and Environment at PW. हमने कई बार सुना है आप इतनी टेस्ट कर लो उतनी टेस्ट कर लो 20 टेस्ट कर लो 30 टेस्ट कर लो 35 टेस्ट कर लो यू विल डेफिनेटली क्वालिफाई द प्रीलिम्स. हाउएवर ऐसे हमारे सामने दो केस स्टडीज आई हैं. एक केस स्टडी जिसमें कई सारे बच्चे जो हर बार प्रीलिम्स देते हैं, मेंस देते हैं, इंटरव्यू देते हैं और उनका इंटरव्यू हुआ हो यानी क्वालिफाइड रहे हों या नहीं रहे हों, फिर से प्रीलिम्स देते हैं और फिर से प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई भी करते हैं. ये बच्चों को ज़्यादा दिन नहीं मिलते हैं. दे जस्ट गेट अबाउट 10 to 15 days, बट स्टिल दे आर एबल टू क्वालिफाई सक्सेसिव प्रीलिम्स 1, 2, 3, 4 just at a span of what 15 days study, because they are in the cycle of prelims, mains, interview, prelims, mains, interview, qualification. This is one group, one case study. There is other case study which says that a student has given lot of tests, not just year 1, year 2, year 3. They have given the test but have not been able to qualify prelims examination. And not qualifying one prelims examination means delaying your journey by 2 years. One, waiting for the next prelims for 1 year, and then again giving prelims and mains interview that 1 year. So one prelims, not qualifying one prelims, takes a toll for 2 years. तो एक क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आता है that are test series enough? Are simply the test series enough for the examination? The test series are very important, but then बहुत सारे बच्चे इन टेस्ट सीरीज का पूरी तरीके से फ़ायदा नहीं उठा पाते, या वो टेस्ट सीरीज वैसी डिज़ाइन होती हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प नहीं कर पाती हैं. तो therefore we at PW are trying to bring innovation in the test series. We are trying to prepare the next level for you so that you can utilize the test series in a better manner. Now, what are we trying to do? And what is the missing element in the present test series? In the present test series, which I called as traditional test series, एक element जो missing होता है वो ये होता है, वो बच्चों को smartly नहीं prepare करवा पाते. What do we mean by smartly prepared? They are not able to give you good hints of how do you refine your logic. They are not able to tell you that why this question has been asked. Why is this question even important? Why is this topic even important? And therefore, that is what we are trying to do at PW. We are trying to give you super hints. We are trying to give you super questions. And we are also trying to give you super discussions. So let us see how does the test series at PW is different from the other test series. If I talk about the present test series, the missing element is that what happens? आप test solve करते हो, आप क्वेश्चन देखते हो, आप आंसर देखते हो, यू लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, यू लुक एट दिस आंसर, यू लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, एंड देन यू लर्न, okay, this is the answer, this is the answer, this is the answer. It is not helping you refine your logic. This is one missing element that you have, that you are not, they're not focusing on smart guessing. There's no focus on pattern recognition. There's not much focus on the elimination technique. ठीक है, एलिमिनेशन नहीं अच्छे से हो पाता है, स्मार्ट गेसिंग बच्चों का रिफाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो लॉजिक. सो ये एक मिसिंग एलिमेंट है. एंड वी नो फॉर द फैक्ट दैट यू विल हैव टू give logical guesses in your answers, because in UPSC, no matter how much you study, you will not be able to answer all the questions. You cannot solve all the 100 questions with accuracy, so you will have to go for smart guessing, which the test series should help you out. And that is what we are coming up, that we would want something that is different. We want you to give you that secret sauce that is used by the toppers. कैसे हर बार 15 दिन सिर्फ देख के प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज दैट सीक्रेट सॉस दैट वी वांट टू शेयर विथ यू. वी वांट यू टू apply common sense. We want you to learn how to apply that common sense. We want you to refine your logic even if the question is tough, and learn elimination step by step, one step, two step, deeper steps. So we want you to do that for yourself, ताकि कितना भी क्वेश्चन कैसा भी हो, आप क्वेश्चन से डर नहीं रहे हो. You are engaging with the questions, you are taking hints from the question, the super hints what we call, and you are able to solve that questions. So looking at the super hints, see, let us do the testing part. What is a super hint that you need to learn? See, this is a question on Andaman Nicobar with reference to Andaman Nicobar Island. Consider the following statement. Little Andaman is separated from Nicobar Island by 10-degree channel. That is first statement. The second statement is a PT Island is a coral islet in the UT of Andaman and Nicobar. Okay? Now first sentence, why is it given? Because UPSC ने पहले पूछा हुआ है that Andaman and Nicobar are separated by what degree channel, 5 degree, 6 degree, 10 degree, 9 degree, UPSC has already asked this. So a 10 degree channel separates what's and what, that is what UPSC has asked. So you should know. If you do first wrong, we as mentors will get to know कि आपने previous year question solve नहीं किए हैं. अगर आपने first statement सही कर दिया तो we know that you have looked at the previous year question, you know what UPSC has asked. ये आपके mentors ऐसे analysis करते हैं आपके test का. So one, that little Andaman is separated by by the Nicobar by 10 degree channel. That is a correct statement. UPSC has asked this previous year question. The second one, PT Island is a coral islet in the UT of Andaman and Nicobar. Now, you can see this as a fact that PT Island, is it a coral island and is it there in Andaman Nicobar or is it there somewhere else? ये आप factually भी समझ सकते हो और इसको याद कर लोगे, but इसको याद नहीं करके logic कैसे लगा सकते? You need to understand about the formation of Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar, there are two theories about the formation of Andaman and Nicobar. One, Andaman Nicobar, one theory that it is mountainous in nature. How can you say that? Himalayas, they are moving, they become your Purvanchal, they become Arkanyoma, Peguyoma of Myanmar, they extend, they are submerged under the ocean, they extend and then they rise up as mountainous island. Therefore, it is said that probably Andaman Nicobar is mountainous in nature. Do we have some evidence? Yes, there is a peak, Diavolo Peak. There is mountainous topography in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So that is one theory about the formation of Andaman and Nicobar. The other theory that is well known, that Andaman Nicobar has been formed because of the collision. The Indian plate and the Burmese plate are colliding. Ocean collision is going on, and you have volcanic mountain change, volcanic island archipelago, that is Andaman and Nicobar. So Andaman and Nicobar is either volcanic or mountainous. Are coral reef present? Yes, the coral reef are present. But are the islands coral? No, the islands are not coral. Where do we have coral islands? We have coral islands on Lakshadweep. So a smart student would think that PT Island is a coral islet in the UT of Andaman and Nicobar. Is not a correct statement. PT Island is a coral island in the UT of Lakshadweep. So you have done a smart guessing. You did not simply look this as a fact. अच्छा ये fact है, इसको याद करते हैं, इसको रट्टा मारते हैं. No. You applied the logic. You went deeper into the questions, and this is what happens when you solve the PW test series. What happens in general test series? This is the discussion that you get. Second statement is incorrect. PT Island is uninhabited coral island in the territory of Lakshadweep. आप रट्टा मारोगे. Lakshadweep uninhabited coral island, PT Island. Coral island, PT Island uninhabited, Lakshadweep. Don't do that. We are giving you some super hints, and not this for this questions. For many questions we give you this hint that lessens the burden of memorization. That it is well known fact that Andaman Nicobar is volcanic in origin, whereas Lakshadweep is coral in origin. And therefore, what answer will you get? You will get that the first statement is correct, but the second statement is wrong. Okay? So the answer is A here. That's how we help you out. We help you out with solving the questions. We give you super hints, and this super hints eases your life. Apart from super hints, we also have super questions. What are super questions? क्या हैं ये super questions? See, UPSC का syllabus इतना vast है that आपके लिए difficult हो जाता है predict करना कि क्या पूछेगा क्या नहीं. But जो specialized experts होते हैं subjects के लिए, वो बता सकते हैं कि क्या क्वेश्चन आएगा, क्या नहीं आएगा, क्या न्यूज़ में है, कैसा पैटर्न पूछा गया है. एंड वी हेल्प यू आउट विद दोस. वी गिव यू सुपर questions and we tell you that this is a super question because this has been there in news. This is a super question because last year such question was asked. A year before such question was asked. So super questions. It is basically predicting what UPSC can ask and helping you that this is a super question. They can ask you this. So super questions are those questions that are highly probable questions for the examination. The logic behind why these questions are asked is told to you. आपको पहले से ही बता दिया जाता है on your in the solutions that why this question was asked, and this will help the students prepare smartly and not simply blind following. So I'll give you this. For example, the question is, which of the following metals are extracted from the minerals petalite and lepidolite? पेडालाइट और लेपिडोलाइट से कौन से मिनरल्स प्रोसेस होते हैं. And UPSC has asked many questions on economic geography on minerals, so therefore we are also focusing on minerals and economic geography. And we will not tell you the answer, but we will tell you why. Super question. The importance of lithium in the battery storage and recent international race to acquire lithium deposits has made it a potential question. So there's a lot of race to acquire lithium because they are used in lithium. You can make lithium batteries. They're used in renewable energy and various other solar appliances and various other places. So that is why this question has been asked. You know the answer now, that which one of the following metals are extracted by processing petalite and lepidolite. I'm not telling you the answer. I think you will get to know the answer there. Now, what are we looking? One, super hints. Second, super questions, and also super discussions. The test series is incomplete without proper discussion. What do we mean by proper discussion? Discussion should never be one way. Discussion should be bi-directional. So what do? We divide the students in groups. There are Zoom meetings wherein the student is interacting, the teacher is interacting, the questions are being discussed, personalized attention is being given to the students. That is what is called super discussion. Superb discussion that we have. So super discussion जो है वो बाई डायरेक्शनल है, लाइव होता है, जूम की मीटिंग होती है, स्टूडेंट दे आस्क डाउट्स विद द फैकल्टी डायरेक्टली, दे कैन focus on the interaction. It saves times, it helps in self analysis, and there is no unnecessary discussion that is done. Personalized, one to one, saving of time and energy, that is what we focus upon. That is your super discussion. So super hints, super questions, and super discussions. So apart from this, we are trying to give you something, we are trying to promote learning. So PW is conducting a free Sunday super test series. Every Sunday the student can take a free test series from PW, and this is a completely free batch. There is no cost. This is just focused on your learning. That is what we are doing. We are trying to give you this through and promote your learning. Once you know that you've done the test, and we know that you have performed well, we will be more than happy to let us help you out in your journey. So those who are performing better, the top performers in the Sunday test series, in the super Sunday test series, we will offer you a super peer group. ठीक है, अब आपको peer group देंगे best of the minds के साथ interact करने के लिए. We'll give you the ecosystem. There will be one-to-one mentorship. ठीक है, that will help you out. There would be discussion with the toppers, because those who have gone the way, seen the way, will help you there, will help you out. And you will also be given exclusively sectional test for your more focused practice. So if you perform better, if you perform good, we are more than happy to be a part of your journey and help you out. The toppers are also there, that will help you in your journey there. So this is what we have from our side. Join the revolution, be the part of learning, take the help of us, know what is super hint, super questions, and take the help of super discussions. All of you are more than welcome, and we want to be a part of your journey. Thank you.